there are a couple of music distribution platforms out there, and one thing I find in common about this music distribution platform is that this platform actually gets your music to Spotify, Apple Music, and the rest. So the question now is choosing which one of these music distribution platform is the best. That's why I'm actually going to be breaking it down for you guys in this video. So I'm actually going to be walking you through what you should actually look out for when picking a music distributor. The first thing I always advise people to actually look out for when picking a music distribution platform is the price. So if you actually come over to DistroKid, you're going to notice that we're going to be distributing our music for just $22.99 for a year. Basically on this plan, you can only distribute for just one artist, so you can kind of upload unlimited music. And if you also head over to Ditto Music, we can also upload unlimited music on Ditto Music for a year. So basically we are kind of paying $14 every single year, which is quite cheaper than DistroKid. And also, like I said, you could also distribute for just one artist on the Ditto starter plan. I'll say it's something you could actually also do on Tunko and other music distribution platform. What you need to do is just go over to all of these music distribution platform and actually look at their pricing, actually see which of them you could actually afford. If you're going to be looking at the pricing aspect of it, I will say one of the music distribution platforms that actually stand out with their pricing is actually Nation Digital, because if you actually go through their pricing, you're going to see that you could actually get started on their ultimate plan for just $9. You could actually like distribute for multiple artists compared to DistroKid and Ditto and other music distribution platform out there. So basically on the starter plan, you could only distribute for just one artist. So all of this music distribution platform actually gives you 100% of your royalty. So another thing I always advise people to actually look out for when picking a music distribution platform is their features. So you need to actually look out for what kind of services are they giving you with their pricing. So if you actually head over to Ditto right now, you're going to see that you could actually get free pre-saved smart link for each of your release. DistroKid 2 also offers that. Same thing for Nation Digital. I actually know if Tunko actually offers you free pre-saved smart link. So another feature that I actually noticed is the auto split royalty payment, which I would say all of this music distribution platform has this in common. So another important feature is actually playlist placement. So you need to actually like look out for which of this music distribution actually offers you playlist placement. And by the way, Ditto Music actually offers you playlist placement on their starter plan. I'll say this actually make Ditto to actually stand out from any other music distribution platform, because DistroKid do not actually offers you playlist placement. Same thing goes for Tunko and Nation Digital. I would say playlist placement is actually important, because I would say it actually plays a very crucial role in your music career, because if you actually get your song playlisted, you actually get to like get to more people, you actually get to like make more money for yourself as an artist. I'll say another feature you should also look out for is the in-depth analytics data of the music distribution platform you're actually going to be choosing. Basically, I would say like all of this music distribution platform actually gives you the ability to do that, but I'll say the one music distribution platform that actually stand out from the rest, that actually like their interface, is actually Nation Digital, because they kind of give you more in-depth data on how your music is performing, like how many streams you have gotten, you know, stuff like that, like how much money you have made, you know, where your streams are coming from. So their data are kind of like more in-depth than any other music distribution platform I've ever seen. Guys, like these are little things you also put in place. But guys, if you know you haven't liked the video yet and smash the subscribe button, please don't forget to like the video and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. This actually encouraged me to actually create more videos for you guys. Another features you should also look out for is how fast this music distribution platform can actually get your music to stores. If you're actually going to be looking at Tunko, so it actually takes about 2 days for Tunko to actually like get your music to stores, while DistroKid actually takes about 1 day to actually get your music to store. Same thing also goes for Nation Digital also. So like this music distribution platform are actually like the fastest platform that could actually get your music to Spotify, Apple Music, and the rest. So another thing I always advise you guys to actually put in consideration when picking a music distribution platform is how fast they actually pay out royalty. So for DistroKid, it actually takes about 2 to 3 days for them to actually process your royalty, while Nation Digital takes about 1 to 2 days for them to pay you your royalty. And again, you should also be considering the kind of payment method each of these music distribution platform are actually going to be paying you your money with. If you're a kind of person that is kind of watching this video from Nigeria, like from the African countries, you guys know that most of this music distribution platform actually pays you through PayPal and the rest. And you guys know that PayPal is not actually available in like African countries. So the best way you could actually get your money is by actually creating a US bank account, by actually using Payoneer or other website right here. So DistroKid kind of process their payment with Tipalti and HTF transfer. They also process their payment with wire transfer and the rest. which I'll say not all of the music distribution platform actually give you this kind of payment method, but the payment method that I find suitable for everybody nationwide is actually Nation Digital, because on Nation Digital you could actually withdraw your money in savings, you could actually withdraw your money in current. So if you could also withdraw your money with domiciliary account for those of us that are in Nigeria, so you kind of like create a domiciliary account. You can also withdraw your money through mobile money. So like it actually offers various payment method for you to be able to withdraw your money. So all I could tell you guys is make sure you actually go through each of these music distribution platform and check their pricing, the features, and what you're actually going to be getting. So it's all about what you want for your release. After trying out a bunch of music distribution platform like DistroKid, TuneCore, and other music distribution platform in the past, I would say one platform that actually stand out from the crowd is actually Nation Digital, because their price is actually affordable and what they're actually giving you right here is kind of more better than other music distribution platforms is going to be giving you. So I'll say the reason they're actually doing this is because they're kind of new, so they're kind of trying to like unsmart and also beat other competitor. And again, they also distribute music videos. So if you are someone who is interested in distributing your music video, you could actually distribute your music video with them for just $15. It's actually left to you to actually decide what music distribution platform you want to use. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you know you did, please don't forget to like the video, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell also. If you think you're not still satisfied, you could actually just click on the video pop right here on your screen to go explore more music distribution platform you could actually use.